Bienvenidos a mi canal Learning Spanish with Señora Ramirez. In today's video, we are going to learn about the verb gustar, which means to like. Gustar literally means to be pleasing to, and we'll see more about that later on in the video. But to begin with, gustar can be used in two ways. The first one is with an infinitive, which is a verb. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Is an example, which means what do you like to do? Me gusta bailar, which means I like to dance, or if you literally translate it, it means dancing is pleasing to me. Dancing is pleasing to me. You also can use gustar with a noun, as in, me gusta tu camisa. Your shirt is pleasing to me. Me gustan tus zapatos. Your shoes are pleasing to me. Spanish expresses likes and dislikes with the verb gustar, which literally means to be pleasing to someone. Me gusta el chocolate. I like chocolate. Chocolate is pleasing to me is the literal translation. ¿Te gustan las uvas? Do you like grapes? Are grapes pleasing to you? No le gusta comer carne. He doesn't like to eat meat. Eating meat is not pleasing to him. When you use gustar, there are three components that you need to make a complete sentence. The first one is the indirect object pronoun. Your choices are me, te, le, nos, os, les. Me is me, te is you. Le can be him, her, or you formal. Nos is us. Os is y'all in Spain. And then les is them or y'all in Latin America. Then you have either the singular form of the verb, which is gusta, or the plural form of the verb, which is gustan. And what determines which one to use is the actual thing, the noun or the verb, that is pleasing to the specific person. For example, me gusta el chocolate literally means the chocolate is pleasing to me, or I like chocolate. ¿Te gusta dibujar? ¿Te gusta dibujar? Do you like to draw? Or maybe the sentence is, a Mario le gusta tu camisa, which means Mario likes your shirt. Now, as you'll notice, these nouns right here in the singular, you can tell because the definite article is in the singular. If it were plural, then L would be los, it wouldn't be in the singular L. Also, with tu camisa, you can tell because your possessive adjective is in the singular and your noun is in the singular. And then with an infinitive, which is a verb, you always use the singular form of gustar. Now, if you have a noun that is in the plural, like tus zapatos, your conjugation of the verb gustar has to be gustan. So if I were to say, me gustan tus zapatos, what I'm saying is, I like your shoes. And the literal translation is, your shoes are pleasing to me. Maybe I want to tell you that he likes your shoes. A Mario le gustan tus zapatos. Your shoes are pleasing to Mario. To him. Le means to him. Maybe I want to say we like grapes. Nos gustan las uvas. The literal translation is grapes are pleasing to us. So this is your indirect object pronoun. It is not a subject pronoun. Don't get that confused with the subject pronouns. The subject of the sentence is going to be the grapes. What are the grapes doing? They're pleasing us. Nos gustan las uvas means we like grapes, or grapes are pleasing to us. If you were to say les gustan las uvas without further explanation, it could mean they like grapes or y'all like grapes. So you would have to iterate a ellos les gustan las uvas, and then in that case it would mean they like grapes. And if you wanted to make sure that the meaning was y'all like grapes, you would have to say a ustedes les gustan las uvas. What should you know about the verb gustar? You need to always include the definite article with the things liked. Me gusta el programa Stranger Things. This definite article means the. I like the program Stranger Things. Me gustan los zapatos de Marco. I like Marco's shoes, or literally the shoes of Marco. The literal translation is the shoes of Marco are pleasing to me. If what you like is a verb, always use the singular form gusta with the infinitive of the appropriate verb. For example, nos gusta ir al cine. We like to go to the movies. Les gusta viajar. This can mean they like to travel. It also could mean y'all like to travel. For it to be y'all like to travel, you would have to say a ustedes les gusta viajar. More important things to remember about gustar. Le and les can mean several things. Le can mean to him, to her, to you. Les can mean to them or to y'all. So to be sure who you're talking about, add a plus a person, for example, a Maria or a ellos. Marco y María estudian juntos. Marco and Maria study together. A Marco le gusta estudiar la noche anterior, pero a María le gusta tomar su tiempo. Marco likes to study the night before, but Maria likes to take her time. In this sentence, le represents both Marco and Maria. But the way we know what it represents in each part of the sentence is by this component, a Marco. In this case, le means he likes to study. In this case, a Maria, le means she likes to take her time. Some other examples, les gusta nadar? Do y'all like to swim? Now, without this a ustedes there, les gusta nadar can mean do y'all like to swim or do they like to swim? Here in this sentence, we have a ellos les gusta cocinar. Since we reiterated here the a ellos, we know that this means they like to cook. If we did not have this here and it just said les gusta cocinar, it can mean they like to cook or y'all like to cook. That's why it's so important to use a plus the pronoun or a plus a name to differentiate between the two. Some more things to remember about gustar. For emphasis, add a mí, a ti, a nosotros. When you add this to a sentence, it can translate in English as to really. For example, a mí no me gustan los camarones, pero a Marco sí. This means I really don't like shrimp, but Marco does. A nosotros no nos gusta comer carne. We really don't like to eat meat. And to follow up with a question, use y a ti, y a usted, y a él. For example, ¿te gustan las uvas? Do you like grapes? No, no me gustan. No, I don't like them. Y a ti. So now I'm asking you, what about you? Do you like grapes? And you can do that with y a ti. Now, if this said, ¿le gustan las uvas a usted? And I answer, no, no me gustan, I would have to say y a usted back because this person is being formal with me. If he says, ¿le gustan las uvas a usted? To be polite, I would not say y a ti back. I would say y a usted. Okay guys, that is going to be all for now. I hope you found value in this video, and if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments. Don't forget to click subscribe and the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Hasta luego.